First up on top of this bulletin, we're tracking some updates on the Citizenship Amendment Act. Now, 2 months after the centre has notified the rules for the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla has handed over the first set of citizenship certificates to 14 applicants and highlighted the salient features of the act. Now, the recipients have thanked the centre and expressed happiness. The district-level committees on successful verification of the documents have administered the oath of allegiance to the applicants. Reacting to the release of the certificates, Union Home Minister Amit Shah reiterated the fact that CAA is now the law of the land and cannot be denied. Now, he's also said that the government is focused on serving justice to the refugees, whether they have citizenship or not.
ममता बनर्जी जो हैं वो हर एक रैली में कहती हैं कि सीए का फॉर्म मत साइन कीजिए, आपको नागरिकता नहीं मिलेगी, और आप कहते हैं कि डरना नहीं चाहिए। सत्य
देखिए, आज ही मैं आपको एडवांस में समाचार दे रहा हूं। दिल्ली में प्रथम 300 लोगों को नागरिकता मिलने जा रही है। सीए देश का कानून है स्मिता जी, और इसको इस तरह से झुठलाया नहीं जा सकता। जो हिंदू, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन, क्रिश्चियन भारत, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश और अफगानिस्तान से आए, वो सारे लोग 2014 के पहले जो शरणार्थी बनकर आए, उनका अधिकार है, डॉक्यूमेंट हो न हो, उनको नागरिकता मिलेगी।
They have said that they will give some CA certificate they have given today to some people. What do you have to say on that?
I have said everybody to cast their votes and to register their names in the EVM machines and to show the country that once election commission accepts their identity, they need not to be proved as a CA or NRC person.
With the centre focusing on CA, it is all set to be a reality soon. Now, CNN News 18's Anand Narasimhan spoke to Union Minister Smriti Irani over CA finally becoming a reality. She says that the centre has implemented CA not for the vote bank politics, but with the aim of securing justice for those persecuted.
Now, in this case of CA, all that went under the bridge in terms of a year-long protest, so much of noise that was made, delaying the rules notification, COVID and otherwise, multiple reasons. As we speak, about 14 to 15 people have got Nagrikta after the rules notification.
Yeah.
Overall, this base is not more than 25-30,000 people, if not more.
Modi is not counting votes.
No. So, what
These
is this
25,
whole thing about?
30,000 people need help. It's a promise we made. Not as an individual organization, not as a polity. It is a promise that was made when this country was partitioned. That these communities will be safe across the border. It's a promise that Modi gets to keep. You rightly said these are not more than 20,000 people.
Correct.
It's a promise our country made. I am the granddaughter of refugees. My dada was in Pakistan, my nani was in Bangladesh. We have heard horrific stories. I have been a part of delegations, even in parliament, of meeting. I have seen, Mulayam Singh Yadav ji's elder brother in that parliamentary delegation literally weeping. Maar diya humko. Sarhad ke us paar se aaye. We were, my maiden name is Malhotra. Malhotra, who came by foot. Those who came by train died. Janakpuri refugee camp, you're going back to Delhi, please go and ask people who've been a part of those camps. My nani partitioned Bengal, ran literally. After marriage was a Bagchi, before marriage was a Sanyal in Dhubri. We have people who can testify to the fact, dragged out of their homes, made to stand on the road and see their entire house burned down, all because they were Hindus. Thanks to God, not raped. And that is the story we are told. Thank God Nani was not raped. You should be grateful. Can you imagine the child being told, thank your stars your Nani was not raped. Thank your stars that people who came with Dada from Lahore and stood in Janakpuri refugee camp seeking refuge, that those women were not raped. God knows, but can you imagine hearing those stories? And there are stories of millions of such families in India. So should we allow that to happen to others who are left behind with the promise that they'll not be harmed? And it's such a crime to save them